what I'm doing. I'm scared. How is this gonna turn out? How do you cook a pound of this? That's crazy. This is his burger. That's compared to a penny. Look how huge this is. Today I'm having a challenge with... No, I'm just kidding. We're having a challenge who can make the best burger. Mine's gonna be more delicious and super simple and easy to make.
Mine's gonna be fantastic. It's gonna be this thick. It's gonna be the size of your head, and it's gonna have butter and bacon and eggs all over it.
If you wanna know his game plan and how he's making it, you can go check out his channel. All of you guys probably already know him, Homestead How.
And if you wanna see the worst burger in the world, you can go watch Emma the Carnivore.
It's gonna be so good. So if you guys watched my other video on the carnivore meatballs, that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm using Wagyu ground beef, the best, flavorful, delicious, and I'm gonna shred up cheese, put it in it with bacon crumbs, and then I'm gonna cook it up on this big bad boy cast iron skillet. Let's go. I'm gonna start off by heating this up. We're gonna put a little bit of beef tallow on the pan. This is a 7-pound thing of beef tallow that we use every single day. We got it on Amazon, link in the description below.
You're still gonna lose.
Guys, this is his so far. That's crazy. He put an egg in it. Oh my gosh.
Doesn't that look fantastic?
Okay, well, my pan heats up and gets hot. I'm gonna shred up some cheese, which you wanna get a block of cheese because shredded cheese has a bunch of additives and preservatives and wax to make it last longer. A lot of kind people comment things like this has cheddar dye in it and it's actually bad. So I need to find a clean cheese that is good because everything is bad for you. I definitely don't need this big block of cheese, and I'm just gonna use this little guy. I'll grab a Ziploc bag for my big block of cheese. People also say to do it on the side like this. I find that harder. I'm scared I'm gonna cut my finger. I like to do it this way. Boom. And I'm gonna rinse this off. Rinsing it off so it doesn't stick and get hardened and be a million times harder to clean. This is my Wagyu ground beef. I'm using 1 pound. Uh-oh, this is already burning. Oopsie. My thing's already burning. Should I cook up the bacon first so then there's bacon grease with my burgers? And put this in here. We're gonna add salt. I'm gonna add some cheese. And now I'm gonna mix this together. I'm debating on doing an egg or not. What are you doing? Did you watch my videos about me saying you have to rinse stuff off? Guys, he's doing it. He's cleaning his dish.
I will always wash the dish if there's a brush here.
I don't know what I'm doing. I'm scared. How is this gonna turn out? How do you cook a pound of this? That's crazy. What if this doesn't turn out? This would be so wasteful. I feel like I should put this in the freezer or something. We're just gonna cook this low and slow. Here goes nothing. Oh my gosh. This is a disaster. This is huge. I should have done Bill Knott's recipe and do a bacon wrapped burger, but I'm too afraid because this is huge. That's crazy. I think I'm gonna add some bacon to the side of the pan, especially because bacon juice on this burger is gonna be so good. Oh, there's literally no steam. I'm gonna turn this a little higher. Turn on medium high. Yeah, that's not good. There's not even steaming. That's okay. We'll do this low and slow. I'm gonna let that heat up. I really don't know what I'm doing. Okay, we got some sizzle. Look at my burger.
That actually looks pretty good.
It looks so good. I'm just worried, yeah, how am I gonna cook it? Low and slow? Okay, I'm gonna clean up my mess. I don't know how the middle's supposed to cook. Ouch, it flung at me. But my master plan is that I'm gonna cook that up low and slow, and then I'm gonna do 2 fried eggs on top of it, and the bacon on it. Imagine it gets stuck to the bottom, but this bacon grease is gonna make it so delicious. I think I should put this on it. I think I'm just gonna let that sit. I really don't know what I'm doing. I'm gonna lift this up. Okay, that's actually really good. It's getting the sides. Basically what I'm doing is I'm just putting this on here and hoping for the best. That it's gonna cook it real nice until I gotta flip it. But that's what it looks like so far. So now we wait. Okay, here goes nothing. Ooh, boom, boom, boom. A little crispy. Look at that. This is almost done, and then I'm going to put a lot of beef tallow in it and crack 2 eggs for my fried eggs. But I'm worried, I'm really bad at making fried eggs, so I'm actually going to take this off now. Please don't don't fall apart. Oh my gosh. 1 pound cheesy bacon burger patty. Dad, look. It's a little crispy, but it's perfect. The tricky part is gonna be making fried eggs.
Yours is done?
I think so. It's a little crispy, but look at that. A pound of cheesy bacon cheeseburger. Are you scared?
I'm terrified.
I'm scared to make fried eggs, but I'm gonna do 2 beautiful fried eggs on this. Okay, I'm really bad at making fried eggs, but we got this. 1. Where did I put it? I don't want it to burn. And now we hope for the best. 1 pound of cheesy bacon cheeseburger. Mine's definitely gonna win. I don't know how to flip eggs. I'm winning. I can't wait to eat it, but I got little ground beef pieces to munch on. My fried eggs are getting there.
You're done.
It's done?
Yeah.
Ta-da. I'm gonna try to get these crusties off. Oh, I'll eat that. Boom. Boom. That is crazy. I definitely win. This is so beautiful. Let's see if it's raw. Uh-oh. Just kidding. It's literally perfect. Oh my gosh.
Let me see the middle.
They call me Chef Ramsay. Taste test. We're gonna get a big bite. This is huge. This is a big finish. Dude.
It's not as good as mine.
This is crazy how good this is. Cooked perfect. Oh my gosh. The top part just got a little crispy, but other than that, it's absolute perfect. It's a tiny bit pink in the middle, which I love. Mom, I made a 1 pound burger patty. Okay. It turned out, it's so delicious. Okay, well that is my 1 pound carnivore, ultimate carnivore burger. Super easy, super delicious, super flavorful. That's crazy how easy that was. I'm a professional. I definitely think I'm gonna win. If you guys want to see my dad's, you're gonna have to check out his video, link in the description below. But yeah, I wish you all the best today, and always please subscribe, as it really helps me out and it helps YouTube push my videos to help inspire others to do carnivore. But thank you so much for watching. I wish you all the best today, and always bye. Peace.